Hello everyone, welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today we will bring you the FSTpipe stainless steel Spigot Type Equal Socket operation. The materials and tools are electric impact wrench, stainless steel pipes, stainless steel equal socket. Remove the pre-installed bolts, leaving one bolt with an open cover for subsequent installation. Take out the sealing ring. Put the sealing ring outside of the stainless steel pipe, with the thick side facing inward. Then insert the stainless steel pipe into the equal socket. Fasten the cover and pay attention to the alignment of the positioning pins of the cover. Insert the bolts one by one. And lock them diagonally with an electric impact wrench. Use the same steps to install the other side of the socket. Then the installation is completed.